it's time. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're seeing my gorgeous face, hey, I'm ꨄThanks. Welcome to the channel. I'm a vlogger, yeah, mostly vlogs, and yeah, mostly vlogs. So today I'm going to be starting my maintenance for the Christmas. So I'm gonna be starting my hair today. I'm planning to do don't fall. I'm planning to do the, what do you call this, knotless, but with the twist. So after I do the plait, I'm gonna start with twist because I hate to plait. Hate plait. So I had this here. It's the, what is, African collection pre-stretch expression 3x here. I only have probably just 1.5 piece because I think I started to use it. Me use them to make one here when I did put on the puff. Anyways, I'm gonna start with this here first around at the back because this is 58 inches and I bought 3 of these here. The 3x expression Ghana, but this is 60 inches. So I'm gonna use that one first because now I'll finish off the old one first and then start with this here. I don't know if the texture is different. They're both supposed to be 1B, so you know color supposed to be the same. So that may sell this is 4. Oh well, it's at the back. So this is 4. I normally buy 1B. What am I do it for? I don't know. Anyways, this is 1B. All of these are 1B. So yeah, that is that.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Alright guys, so updates. It is now 5:49 and I had to stop actually. I did pause a little to go to practice and I'm back. So about half an hour or no, about 1 hour. Pause about 1 hour. Yeah. And then I'm back. And if you can see like the back of the hair from here, so it's kinda dark as you can see outside. But yeah, this is the amount I have done. I almost reached a little, you know, that little part there right here, so I almost reached this so, and then I reach like the front part there, thereabouts. But yeah, that's what's happening. Hey guys, so it is 10:57 and I have now finished the hair. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to hot water it. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to bed now guys. Good morning guys, good morning. Today we're having a tree lighting ceremony. I don't know how much of it I'll be able to vlog, but I'm gonna be helping them to like decorate the tree. So it's like a little bit after 8 now. I was supposed to reach at 8, but me away from my father because I am having decoration them, so gotta wait on him. So I'm gonna be heading to help them today, and then later on we have a little ceremony at 6 p.m. for the tree lighting and all of that. So yeah, last night I finished my hair, did my hair, and this morning me hot water it, so that's why I kind of have it out because it are dry. Yeah, but yes, how are you guys doing? It's almost Christmas. I know I have not, like today Thursday, and me never post no video Tuesday. I don't know if I can post today because I'm not gonna have the time to edit the video anyways. I was having some issues with memory, so that was not done. But yes, I'm hoping to get that done. If me not do it today, it'll go post tomorrow, which is Friday. Yeah, I think that's I got in a post Friday. So yeah.
Clear tape.
Okay, so I'm here, and as you guys saw, the tree that we're gonna be doing. So I don't know I'm gonna do that tree here. I don't understand. I just have to follow the people lead. I just have to help because I don't know if I decorate one tree when I have one actual tree. So yeah, as I was showing you guys, this is the tree. They even built a star. I was supposed to put like the pepper light tree, however. Yeah. But yeah, these are the decor that they have so far. Yeah.
Yourself for Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we.
Alright guys, I'm back home. Just picked up my outfit for later. This is what I'm wearing. Yeah, that's it.
Shut up. I'm so pretty. They want to make it for oh my god.
Father and the Prince of Peace.
Hey guys. So today we are baking. Yeah, baking time. Christmas reach. I don't like the lighting on this. Anyways, Christmas reach and gone pretty much. By the time I see this, Christmas gone a long time. So today is the 23rd. Yeah, I'm late this year on baking, but so it goes. Everything was just running late. We have lots of stuff going on, so I'm gonna have a choice. But anyways, right now we bought most of the stuff for baking, but we left off like the eggs because we didn't want to buy the eggs from so far for travel with it. So we're going to buy some stuff right now. I'm gonna head down to the road and get some stuff. I look like rain or fall, guys. I'm gonna walk with umbrella. I don't know, cause it looked like rain or fall. But yes, today's baking day, so we're baking both Christmas cake and also my Christmas cookies. Yay! So yeah, just come along with me, guys, and hope I'm out not to water for my things them, cause I'm not getting it. Alright, guys, I got the goods. Baking powder, butter, eggs, vanilla.
What did you say?
Hey guys, hold up. Oh, alright guys, so updates. It is currently, mama, what time is it? Press the tablet then to my time.
5:32.
5:32, and the cake just went in. Right now we're going to start on the cookies. It is December 24th. It is Christmas Eve. So today, normally in Jamaica, we go to grand markets. So today, yes, we're gonna head to grand markets. Yesterday I was baking. So today we're going to grand markets. Let me show you guys the fits. So this is the top I'm wearing. Then I have on my boyfriend jeans, and I have on this red shoe. Yes, so this is the fit for today. Yes, that's gonna be the fit for today. We're gonna be heading out right now. Well, in a bit. You guys gonna still feel good. I don't know. I'm not feel wrong, but I go. We are in Calitz. Whenever I go, live in North Linstead. Yeah, we're tired. And when we realize we're tired, so we just say, you know what? If you can avoid any problem when we go down and drive are too tired and something, you know, if we might not tell us enough, we just stop up. So anyways, we didn't go, so we just come to Kelly to get some stuff and just walk around, and then we're going to go to Festive afterwards.